This video explains the image scaling tab in GiziPrint. So when you click on the image scaling tab and you click on display calibration, it'll display a black, well, it'll display that through the projector. So this black window is now actually displaying on my second screen, and for you the second screen will be the projector. You need to measure the square to make sure it's 30 by 30, and you need to make sure the circles and everything is in focus. So if it's not 30 by 30, you can then decrease the size or you can increase the size. So as you increase or decrease the size, those values will change. As you can see, XY will change, and you can save. Now this is, it's probably impossible to measure down to the micron when you're trying to measure light. So this is really just an indication or a helper. You need to do a print. You need to then clean the print when it comes off, cure it, then measure it. And if it's too big, change the value, go lower. If it's too small, change the value, go higher, and reprint. So that's really the only way, because the thing is, you have different resins will have different, will handle the light differently. Different resins will bleed more, will bleed less, those kind of things. Even, you know, your calipers will make a difference if the part is hot, if the part is cold. All those kind of things will change the size of the model, especially when you're trying to get down to the 50 micron size, you know, correction. Now also what's important to know is where you place the model on the build plate. So if it's in the middle, it's going to be a lot more accurate. When it's on the edges, you might have the model possibly a little bit wider on the X, but more correct on the Y. So then in that case, you can increase your X a little bit or decrease a little bit on it, you know, separate from the Y. So let's say, for instance, there we want to make the X much smaller than the Y. You can do that. So this is just really a helper to get you started.